Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by saving your presentation because unsaved work risks loss. Close background apps to free RAM and then relaunch PowerPoint. This often clears transient hangs. Next, inspect the file size and look for embedded video, high-resolution images, or linked objects. These often cause lag. Open File Options and enable Safe Graphics Mode, then go to Add-ins and disable third-party plugins. Once done, you'll be ready to move into targeted cleanup steps that reduce processing overhead and restore responsiveness. Now focus on reducing what PowerPoint must render. Compress images to 150 dpi or lower for screen use and remove unused slide masters. This cuts file bloat. Convert embedded video to MP4H, 264 for better playback, or link large media externally. Replace OLE or legacy embedded objects with simpler formats. Then, make sure to turn off hardware graphics acceleration in options if GPU drivers are unstable. And simplify animations and transitions. Finish by saving the cleaned presentation as a new PPTX to remove legacy baggage. Run Inspect Document and remove hidden data or embedded templates. Make sure Office and graphics drivers are up to date, and test the file on another computer to isolate environment issues. If problems persist, open PowerPoint in safe mode and import slides into a fresh file to rebuild corrupted elements. This often fixes stubborn hangs. If that still fails, note symptoms and contact support with a copy of the trimmed file for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.